Good morning, middle schoolers. This is Miss Swanson again, and I will be hosting today's virtual assembly. Here are the house challenge points from last week. Houses Fuego, Tierra, and Viento all tied last week in our Start with Love challenge. Thank you to 7th grade students Kate T., Betsy V., and Luthia C. for your beautiful artwork for this campaign. We also had a trivia question challenge. Those students and advisors that responded and posted their house name received an extra 5 points. All houses got on board this week for the trivia. Agua and Viento brought in 5 points, Fuego received 15 points, and Tierra won with 20 extra points. Great job, middle schoolers. As many of you know, the end of year celebration typically involves our final jamboree and a party for the house winner. Mr. Nugent and I have a few ideas up our sleeves, and we'll be sharing these with the other house leaders so that we can come up with a fun way to celebrate our hard work this year. The numbers are fairly close for first place. Who do you think will win the house cup in the very end? Right now, Fuego is in first place, Tierra in second, Agua in third, and Viento in fourth. There is still plenty of time to earn more points for your house, so be sure to listen to the announcements each week and participate in the virtual challenges. This competition isn't over until, well, the end of the school year, but you get the point. Here are the announcements for this week. ASM's virtual science fair will happen on May 27th from 5 to 6:30 p.m. This is a community event where anyone can watch the live stream of the finalists presenting their projects to a panel of judges, and you vote from home for your favorite project. You get to decide which scientists will win fabulous prizes and be crowned top scientists of ASM. You will find the link posted above and with today's announcements on Google Classroom. This shout out is for 6th grader Sienna C. Your BFF Lisette told me that today is your birthday. Yay! On behalf of the middle school, we would like to wish you a very happy birthday today, Sienna. Okay, today's trivia question is brought to us by 6th grader Sophia Yu. What is the capital of Colorado? Miss Backus should know that one. To keep our responses hidden, we are using a new system this week. In order to receive points, you will need to respond not in the comment section, but you will need to respond with your answer on the form that is attached to this announcement on Google Classroom. If you get the question right, then your house will receive extra points. Teachers, you can answer too to earn extra points for your house as well. All right, here is the moment that you have all been waiting for. This week's Minute to Win It challenge is another creative challenge brought to us by Miss Keating. This week's challenge is called the Stay at Home and Make a Change with Waste Reduction Challenge. Throughout the month of May, CAS trips have brought together students from around the world to focus on reducing waste while at home. This week, we are challenging you to collect all of your single-use plastic starting today and ending on Sunday at midnight. Document all of everything that you've collected and submit a photo of what you have collected and, of course, recycled, and send that photo to me, Miss Swanson, by Sunday at midnight to receive 25 points for your house. Please make sure that you check out the challenge document on Google Classroom for instructions and how to participate in this week's Minute to Win It challenge. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in once again, and remember to check Google Classroom for the challenge document. Have a great day, guys.